Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well, and I am with another Get Ready With Me. Today I'm going to Diwali party. So I'm just gonna do my makeup and outfit will be revealed at the end. It is going to be an Indo-Western outfit and it is yellow in color is all I can say. So without further ado, let's just get started for this video. So I'm just gonna start up with using this rose water from Forest Essentials, and I must say I am really enjoying using it. I just spritz it over. It gives me a really calming effect, and I think it brightens the skin as well. And rose water has supposedly other benefits as well. I'll make sure to put them in the description below. I'm just gonna use my trusty moisturizer which I always use, which is by Dot & Key, the skin barrier one. I've been using it for around 2 months now and I'm really liking it. It's super lightweight and gentle on your skin, which is perfect for my dry and sensitive skin. Whatever is left of the cream, I like to rub it in on my hands. So yeah, lastly I'm gonna use my lip balm also. You don't wanna skip this. You also need to take care of your lips before putting on lipstick. A simple lip balm would do, and I must say this is a really good product. It is by Blue Heaven and it's in the shade Pink Rose, and it's like very buttery and I really like it. Sorry, I'm down with a bad throat. So this is the dabba makeup ka mera, which I use all the time. So if you've been watching my videos, you know that I do not like applying foundation. So I'm just gonna quickly start with applying some concealer under my eyes. I've been binge watching a lot of Netflix lately, so I've kind of developed dark circles recently. Found my beauty blender perfect. I'm just gonna dab it ever so slightly. As usual, whatever is left off of the product, I like to dab it over my forehead as well because it's a little tan. I think I'm gonna go with the second layer of concealer because my dark circles have gotten really darker this time. I think this much concealer is enough. So the base is usual. I'm gonna do my brows now, and this is my favorite brow pencil. Not that I've used a lot of brow products, but I've used a couple and I seem to stick to this one because it gives a very natural finish. And so yeah, that's it. I like to use these to give an illusion of a square eyebrow because I naturally have round ones which seem to fall, and this sort of gives an illusion of lifting the face. So we're gonna do our eyeshadow. I'm gonna keep it really simple. So I'm starting with this brown tone, and I like to do my eyeshadows with my fingers only. I think it blends really well this way. So this is like my go-to eyeshadow. I learned it from the makeup tutorial of a creator named Jess Conti, and I really liked the way she did it. It was like really simple, like did it in 2 minutes, and it looked really good as well. So the next thing that she does, or what I'm gonna do in this video, is I'm gonna take this champagne pop color and dab it with my finger like so in the middle. See the difference? And looks so good, right? Lastly, I'm gonna take the brown shade again and build it over the champagne pop a little so that it kind of blends well all together. And I'm gonna do a second coat of the champagne glitter as well. Lastly, I'm gonna take my pinky finger and I'm gonna put some of the eyeshadow in the inner corner of my eye, as it really opens up the eyes, as you can see. And yeah, this simple 2-minute makeup hack is like really good, and it's like my go-to, and I hope it can be your go-to as well, and I hope you try it out for you as well. So yeah, we'll quickly move on to blush now. For blush, I'm thinking I'm gonna use this Color Chemistry one. It's a little nice and like gives a natural finish. I'm sorry it's looking like really messy right now, but just trust me until it works out. And I'm going a little extra because why not? It's Diwali. I'm gonna use my brush to blend it all out. I think it blends really well. I think it gives a very like a natural and nice finish, and I'm happy with my look as of now. So it's Diwali. Can you even go without highlighter? I mean, so I'm just using this highlighter by Farsali, and look, I don't need it. Don't even need to say. The makeup speaks for itself. I mean, it's really good. And वो chunky नहीं लगता. It looks very natural and glowy. Like you can't see the glittery particles which you can see in other highlighters. And this was gifted to me by my mommy, and I'm really thankful that I got this highlighter. So I think makeup is gonna be simple like this only. I might wanna go a little darker on my lips because बहुत ज़्यादा simple makeup है. I think I should go for an eyeliner as well because I like to go for eyeliners on occasions. So this one I've been recently trying out. It's by Sugar, and I really like it. Application is also like very smooth and easy. And yeah, I can't do my eyeliner, so I'll just come back. So yeah, I'm back. I think the liner turned out really well, the wing. And yeah, let's continue. So I recently got this lip oil, tinted lip oil by Simply Numb, and I was really impressed. Although it's a nude color, I think we're gonna mix some lipstick up and make it a little darker. But I really love the application and the feel of it on my lips. Oh my god, how beautiful is that? Can you see the difference? I like those plumpy lips, and I really like that the lip gloss era is back. Although I must say I don't like the taste of it that much. पता नहीं थोड़ा ऐसा herbal वाला taste आता है, so I think they can really work on that. But other than that, the product is like really good. Oh my god, I'm glowing. I think we're gonna mix up this lipstick from House of Makeup. And there was a time when my sister and I used to enjoy using this product, and we used to wear it every time we went out. I think it looks really good, and I think it is it for right now. So like I'm really happy with my makeup and how it has turned out to be. I look like a shiny ball or something, but I really like it. I've went a little extra today, and I think it looks really good. I'm just gonna quickly show you my outfit and the accessories that I'm gonna wear, and lastly मैं आपको final look भी बताऊंगी मेरा कि पूरा कैसे how all has turned out together.
So I couldn't shoot further as I was getting super late and I rushed to the party. So this is my final outfit and how I look all together. I hope you really like this video. I'll see you next time. Bye.